Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which of the following is not an integral part of VPN communication within a network? Option A. VPN key. Option B. VPN community. Option C. VPN trust entities. Option D. VPN domain. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, VPN key. Question 2. Two administrators Dave and John both manage R80 management as administrators for ABC Corp. John logged into the R80 management and then shortly after, Dave logged into the same server. They are both in the security policies view. From the screenshots below, why does Dave not have the rule no 6 in his smart console view even though John has it in his smart console view? Option A. John is currently editing rule no 6 but has published part of his changes. Option B. Dave is currently editing rule no 6 and has marked this rule for deletion. Option C. Dave is currently editing rule no 6 and has deleted it from his rule base. Option D. John is currently editing rule no 6 but has not yet published his changes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. John is currently editing rule no 6 but has not yet published his changes. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.